This is a little Chinese solenoid engine that I just received in the mail from Amazon, and if you're interested in finding one, this is what you look for: electromagnetic piston engine. They make 3 different versions of this engine. They all look pretty similar, fashioned after a Stirling engine. One is indeed a Stirling engine, one is this solenoid engine, and the third is a little air operated or steam engine that comes with its own little USB operated compressor. They're pretty cheap. It came partially assembled, and it also came with a USB cord that has this on-off switch and a speed control built into it. So we're going to give it a try. We'll turn the power on and give it a little spin. And there it is on the slowest speed. And we'll just speed it up here. The variable speed has very good control, and I think this unit ran, I think it was $69 on Amazon. I think I'm going to get the next one in the series that is the air operated one, and give it a try and we'll review it. This only took 15 minutes or so to assemble, and I think quite an enjoyable little toy engine, and something different than the normal stuff you find from China. So thank you for watching my video.